Hey there, future millionaires. Imagine making $388 every single day without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that using just your smartphone. Intrigued? Stick around because this is going to change your life. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our money-making tips and tricks. And if you love content like this, give this video a big thumbs up to let us know. Ready to dive into the world of passive income? Let's get started. Number 5. Lifecoin. Lifecoin is an innovative app that allows you to earn money simply by walking. It's perfect for those who want to monetize their daily steps, whether they're on a fitness journey or just moving around their home. The app is available on both Android and iOS platforms, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, it tracks your steps and converts them into Lifecoins, the app's currency. These Lifecoins can then be exchanged for a variety of rewards, including PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, and other high-value items, such as Apple AirPods and iPhones. The app even allows you to redeem sporting goods and other exciting prizes. One of the key benefits of Lifecoin is its flexibility in payment options. If PayPal isn't available in your country, you can still choose from a wide array of gift cards and other rewards. This makes Lifecoin a versatile tool for anyone looking to make passive income without having to engage in time-consuming tasks. The app continuously updates its prize catalog, ensuring that there's always something new and exciting to aim for. Whether you're a frequent walker or just taking occasional steps, Lifecoin rewards your efforts with tangible benefits. To get started with Lifecoin, you can download the app directly from the Play Store or App Store, or visit their official website at lifecoin.ai. The installation process is straightforward, and once the app is up and running, it operates seamlessly in the background. All you need to do is keep your phone with you while you walk, and you'll start accumulating Lifecoins effortlessly. This simplicity makes Lifecoin an attractive option for those looking to add an easy, passive income stream to their daily routine. Plus, the joy of earning while staying active adds a motivational boost to your daily exercise. Number 4. Money's MS. Money's MS is a unique app designed for Android users, providing an effortless way to earn passive income by receiving text messages. Unlike other apps that require active participation or engagement, Money's MS pays you for doing absolutely nothing. After installing the app and setting up an account, you'll start receiving SMS messages from the app's system. These messages are automatically generated and do not require any action on your part. You don't need to read, respond to, or even open them. The app is entirely secure and compliant with GDPR, ensuring that your personal data and messages remain private. The primary appeal of Money's MS is its simplicity and security. Once the app is installed, you can forget about it and let it do its job in the background. The app sends a few messages daily, and you earn around 30 to 40 cents per message. The best part is that you can withdraw your earnings as soon as you accumulate €2, meaning you don't have to wait long to access your money. Payments are processed quickly, typically within 48 hours, and are made via PayPal, catering to those who prefer this popular payment method. To get started with Money's MS, visit moneysaps.com to download the app. The installation and registration process is quick, taking less than a minute. The app has been well reviewed, with over 400,000 users and over $300,000 paid out to date, proving its legitimacy and reliability. For those skeptical about the app's legitimacy, extensive positive reviews and feedback online can provide assurance. With Money's MS, you can enjoy a steady stream of passive income with minimal effort, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to maximize their earnings with minimal time investment. Number 3. Telefia. Telefia is another fantastic app that enables you to earn passive income by sharing your data usage. This app provides a straightforward way to monetize your smartphone usage without requiring significant effort. After downloading and installing Telefia, you need to register and verify your account, then allow the app to run in the background. The app tracks your data usage and compensates you for it, providing a seamless way to earn money without any active involvement. This passive income model is perfect for those who prefer to earn money effortlessly. One of the unique features of Telefia is its flexibility. While you can increase your earnings by participating in optional surveys and sharing your opinions, these activities are not mandatory. The core earning mechanism revolves around simply sharing your data usage, making it a hassle-free option for generating income. The app considers a day qualified if it runs in the background for at least 8 hours, and accumulating 7 qualified days earns you $1. Although this may seem modest, it's important to remember that it requires no active work, making it a convenient source of additional income. Getting started with Telefia is easy. You can download the app from their official website at telefia.io. Once installed, simply follow the setup instructions, which include turning on basic permissions for data sharing. The app operates quietly in the background, allowing you to go about your daily activities while it tracks your data usage. Payments are made through PayPal, ensuring quick and reliable access to your earnings. For those looking to add a passive income stream without investing extra time or effort, Telefia offers a viable and efficient solution. Number 2. Mobile Expression Panel. Mobile Expression Panel is another great app that pays you for sharing your mobile data. This app is similar to Lifecoin in that it runs passively in the background, collecting data from your device and compensating you for it. The app is available for both Android and iOS users, making it widely accessible. Once you install the app and register for an account, you can simply let it run without needing to check in or perform any tasks. The data collected is used for market research, ensuring that it remains anonymous and secure. One of the standout features of Mobile Expression Panel is its long-standing reputation. The app has been around for several years and boasts over 1 million downloads, which speaks to its reliability and trustworthiness. Users can earn between $15 to $20 per month just by having the app installed on their devices. If you have multiple devices, you can significantly increase your earnings by installing the app on each one. This makes Mobile Expression Panel an excellent option for households with several smartphones or tablets. To get started with Mobile Expression Panel, download the app from the Play Store or App Store and follow the simple registration process. Once the app is installed and running, it will quietly collect data in the background while you continue using your device as usual. The earnings accumulate passively, and you can withdraw your money at any time. For those looking to maximize their passive income potential, Mobile Expression Panel offers a straightforward and reliable solution that leverages the data you're already generating. Number 1. Honeygain. Honeygain is one of the most trusted apps for earning passive income by sharing your internet connection. This app allows you to make money by letting the app use a portion of your internet bandwidth. It's an ideal solution for those with unlimited internet plans who want to monetize their unused data. Honeygain is available on both Android and iOS, and you can also use it on Windows and Mac devices. Once installed, the app runs in the background and shares your internet traffic with trusted partners, ensuring that your data remains secure. One of the key benefits of Honeygain is its transparency and security. The app does not access your personal data or files. It only uses your internet connection to perform web tasks for its partners. Users typically earn around $26 on average, which can be withdrawn via PayPal once you reach the minimum payout threshold. This makes Honeygain a practical and efficient way to generate extra income without any active effort. The app's user-friendly interface and reliable payment system have earned it a large and loyal user base. To start earning with Honeygain, visit honeygain.com to download and install the app. The setup process is quick and straightforward. Once the app is running, it automatically connects to the network and starts earning you money. You can track your earnings through the app's dashboard, and when you reach the payout threshold, you can request a withdrawal. With its robust security measures and consistent payouts, Honeygain offers a trustworthy and hassle-free way to make passive income by simply sharing your internet connection. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.